हाँ, so student, what we were discussing, we had discussed this table. Okay, so now observed colligative property upon theoretical colligative property. I क्या है? Observed upon theoretical colligative property. Understood? So अगर इसको मोलार मास की लैंग्वेज में बात किया जाए, if we'll talk about मोलार मास, तो मोलार मास is what? मोलार मास is inversely proportional to colligative property. You know, colligative property is inversely proportional to molar mass. As I told you, molar mass is happening what? When colligative property increases, molar mass will decrease. As the splitting of molecule is there, so molar mass decreases, and here joining of molecule is there, so molar mass increases. So obviously it is you can see it is inversely proportional to the molar mass. So this relation can also be written as, here observed, here we can write theoretical molar mass, and here you can write observed molar mass. Okay, so we can write this in the language of molar mass, that I is equal to theoretical molar mass upon observed molar mass. Okay, I is equal to theoretical upon observed molar mass. Okay, now what is the use of this Van't Hoff factor? इस Van't Hoff factor का use क्या है? Uses of this Van't Hoff factor, you know that this all colligative properties depend upon quantity of solute. ठीक है, quantity of solute पे depend किया. Here we can see that this is depend upon xb mole fraction of solute, this is depend upon the molality, this is depend upon the molality, this is also depending upon the concentration of solute. So these all are depending upon the quantity of solute. Quantity of solute पे depend करता है, and you know that quantity of solute तो change हो रहा है ना, तो if quantity of solute will change, then the colligative property will also change. So I am reading this, all the colligative property depend upon the quantity of solute. Quantity of solute पे depend करता है. If quantity of solute changes, then the colligative property will also change. So what should be done with this? Why this I is given? This I should be multiplied in front of this colligative properties. I should be multiplied. So for example, this RLVP, earlier we were writing it is at XB, we will do I here, will multiply I here, like this also. Here KBM was there, will multiply I here, will multiply I here, will multiply in front of this CRP. Okay, osmotic pressure is given by this. Okay, so this is multiplied by this, this colligative properties are given like this, so this should be multiplied. Now one more thing I want to tell you, that what is the value of this I? What is the value of this I? You know that if dissociation is there, I is more than 1. Okay, I is more than 1, we had seen. If association is there, I is less than 1, I is less than 1. Okay, and if no dissociation or association is there, I will be equal to 1. Okay, अगर कोई भी सॉल्यूट ऐसा है जो डिसोसिएट भी नहीं होता, एसोसिएट भी नहीं होता, उसका वैल्यू I इज इक्वल टू 1 होगा. अंडरस्टूड? उस केस में ये सेम ही रहेगा, इसका प्रॉपर्टी कुछ भी नहीं बदलेगा, मतलब ये जो है इट विल बी सेम ओनली. ओके, सो सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर देयर, सम ऑफ द न्यूमेरिकल स्मॉल न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स आर देयर. I am giving you the PDF, you can see in that. Okay, how this I will be applied over there. Okay, so before that you please write this and make the note.